Well, as I pointed out some time back, this birch tree was suffering. A couple of years ago, last year, they gave it a treatment, and it did not save the tree. It's a good-sized birch that was planted in '09 and had gotten quite large. Much needed here for shade and appearance, but overnight or sometime today, one piece broke loose in the storm. You can see just up there. So that means cost of removal will be a third less. Oh my God, now I've got this. And I hope it didn't crush anything too badly. It came down on my pygmy there, it's called can't remember. But hopefully not a lot of other damage. I think I see something there, but that's kind of, oh, now it's so windy and wet I can't work on it. Right now I'm under an umbrella.